Today, we're stepping on board one of the most talked about yachts in its class, the Saxdor 460 GTC. Now, this isn't just any 46-footer. This is where Scandinavian design meets serious performance. We're talking sleek lines, a fully enclosed wheelhouse, opening terraces, and a layout that completely changes how you use the space on board. But the big question is, does it actually live up to the hype? Let's take a full walkthrough, show you what's clever, what's different, and whether this is one of the smartest yachts you can buy.
She is equipped with three Mercury engines, 425 horsepower on each one. That is unbelievable. They're V10s, and these are the special engines. They're absolutely brilliant. Staying here at the aft, look at these passerelle, the steps that you got there, and they're really strong. And then you can lift them up, lower them down, and then they just slide in to their dedicated slots just in here, which opens up. So as you can see, I mean, absolutely, it doesn't budge. That really is a strong passerelle. It really is.
Control them via your telephone.
Yes, there's an app that you can control these by. Unbelievable, really is. It's really clever. Come on up, because it's got a lot of tricks on its sleeve, this thing. Lots to show you. Coming up onto the starboard side here, again, as you can see, equipped with a very long balcony. It really is. But come in, let's take a look.
The balcony is actually 1 meter, which will extend the boat radically.
Yeah, well, yeah, because that'll be 2 meters apart from its 4 meter beam. So you'll get a 6 meter beam with those down. Coming in to the aft cockpit area, which is quite vast actually. Let me just mention, this is hull number 1, and they are got a lot of plans for this thing, but we're not going to go into that just yet. We're just going to show you what's in here, what's available, starting around here. Start on this side first. You've got this storage area, dedicated spaces for your fenders. Here you've got a what's it called for the power, where you can blow air into it?
Compressor.
A compressor. Thank you. I lost the word there. A compressor. And she's also equipped with a joystick here, an aft joystick for docking the boat if you want to from the aft of this boat. Very nice indeed. And of course, pop-up lighting as well, and your switch panel here for hiring and lowering and so on. And there you've got the terrace up, and yeah, these are for the passerelles. On the opposite side here, she's equipped with a grill and a sink here, nicely situated. This one I won't open, but just for your information, that's giving you access to all the technical stuff inside there, as is the one behind the gate. Again, a little pop-up light here and switches for the passerelle. Nice seating out here, as Anna's just gone inside there. This table as well. Anna's just pointing to me, so
don't forget
here.
This is amazing. If you think about storage in a boat or storage in a yacht, this is what you mean.
Unbelievable, this.
Storage.
It is unbelievable. What I'll do is, if you just pause that 2 seconds, yes, and take a look at the space down here. Absolutely unbelievable. Stacks of storage in here. It's amazing. Then you've got storage as well under here. There's a big storage area there. You've got storage here, storage here. It is absolutely huge down here. It really is. So let's keep moving on through this Saxdor 460. Let me just come out of here. What's in here? We'll have a look. That's giving you access as well in here to some of the electrics. Yep, that's what that is. Some of the electrics in there, and the same on the other side as well. Perfect. Also, I forgot to mention this, the shower, carbon fiber form, and in this little locker there's also a shower in here, and a wash down. So you can plug in your hose, wash this yacht down. On the opposite side, I'll go here. This is nice as well. A lot of space, bring you over. You've got your shore power inlet, so you can charge the boat with ease. Anyway, let's keep going on in here. This sofa area covered up. This is quite neat as well, where they've opened this up with glass, meaning that you'll get loads of light flooding into here. Really, I'd enjoy sitting out here, very much so. This table is a high-low table. Let me just mention that as well. So that can be lowered down. You can make this into a sun pad, this area here. Really nice.
The remote for the table is here.
Yeah. And this, let me just show you this. Wait a minute. Again, just let me get that down. As you see, I've taken that glass part away, and it's got another little trick up the sleeve here. Even though these doors are open, the side doors, these side doors, this is a new thing for Saxdor, that this pillar that they've got in hides the door. So from here, you only get this section here, which is absolutely brilliant. Come and have a look, mind your step. It's hidden behind this glass bit here, which I think is absolutely brilliant, opening up the whole of this yacht. Really, really clever. Really clever. But I'm going around here, coming back in to the salon, the inside. This boat is an indoor-outdoor boat. That is one thing that's for sure. This thing is like a bullet. It's like a bullet. It will push her through the sea at 50 knots, 50 plus knots. That is fast, let me tell you. That's fast. This is the remote control for the stairs, the passerelle here. You can control it from these. This table opens up, loads all the way around like this. Also, as you can see, it's a high-low table, meaning you can also make this area into a bed if you so wish to, if you've got guests on board. High-low television in here. Great headroom in here as well. Really good headroom. And it's light. It's really light in here. That's one of the things that strikes you as you come in. It's very, very light. And it's an open boat. You can open this thing totally up. There's storage everywhere. I'm not going to go into them all. Loads of storage. You've got your sink here, a wet bar, cooking facilities, and you've got a deep fridge in there as well. Here's your switch panel for the TV, and you've got the front window as well. These, they go up and down. You imagine the draft that you'll get coming through here. But keep moving forward, because look at this helm. I do like, oh, there's another little fridge here. Look, let me forget that one. In there as well. Come and have a look. Look at this. Either you sit like this, rather stand, or you take the bolster down. You've got footrests as well there, so you can sit really nice like this with the yacht. Throttles are positioned perfectly. There is absolutely perfect positioning of them. Joystick here as well, and the steering wheel. It's a multi-function steering wheel. You can control things for the tabs, for example, here, your anchor, you've got your horn, volume, you can do your sound systems from here. And look at these flappy paddles for the wipers. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's pretty cool. And you've got physical switches here for the windows, taking them up and taking them down and so on. This particular boat is equipped with 3 MFDs, giving you the vision here is really good, and the darkness of that up here takes away all the glare from that one-piece windscreen. Really, really nice. Moving on up, look at the opening here, flooding this in, letting the sun in and everything. A nice sunny day, music on, out on the ocean. This is a boat that you're going to have some fun with. Also, bow thruster as well, just so I don't forget that. This is one cabin, And
options for two.
Options for two. But the fact that they've done it like this, I think is really cool because it makes this boat so spacious. Come in and have a look. Loads of headroom, nice colour scheming in here as well. There is a bed down there as well, and you've got the bed here. And I'll show you something which is quite cool. Even though you think it's a one cabin, it can simply be converted to a twin, a double cabin, and I'll show you how that's done. If you just back out from there, Anna, I'll just show you. Let me just show you this. This is quite cool. Look at this design thing here. Just pull that over there like that. There. You've got the drawer here. There you go. All of a sudden you've got some privacy and a cabin here. And I don't know if you saw that in here, but it's a twin in there. So there's two. You can sleep two in there very comfortably. And then, of course, behind, you've got the bed there. Storage. Nice finish on here. Switch panel in there.
Very easy access.
Access. It's nice. And standing room as well. What's this here? Another little skylight as well.
And skylight here.
And a skylight here. So this is a little changing area if you want. And they've done that nice as well with these blinds. Look, the way they've got that angle thing down. Nice, very nice. Grab handles. Yeah, very nice indeed. Oh, and before we leave this compartment, let's just show you in here. The bathroom. Or the heads, rather. They're clever because they're using the mirrors and it's giving the illusion of it being really spacious, even though she is very spacious. Another thing, it's the world premiere, as I did mention. So, you know, if we do miss something, we'll put it in at the end. But come on, this is another thing that Saxdor have done, and they've got a patent on this. This, what would you call this?
They applied for the patent.
They applied a patent pending. It's really clever, and it's quick the way it comes up and just hides out the way, giving you brilliant access to the bow, which we'll show you now. You've got like this. Shut this off, bring that glass party down, closing it off. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Well done, Saxdor.
There it comes.
There you see, that's quick. And if I just do like this. Very clever.
Now she's closed off. And open it.
That's really quick. Good magnet holding this door in position as well. Solid. So, come on in to the bow of this Saxdor 460. There's a load of socializing areas on this boat. There really is. And this is a large one as well. To be sitting here in the... this is also a high-low table. You've got your switch here. Bring that down. Fold that leaf over like this. And if you so wish, you can have it as a coffee table, a dining table, or make this whole area into a sun pad, which is a very nice place to be. It feels bigger than what it is. I'll tell you, it does. Here as well, let's have a look. In there, you've got your anchorage tucked away. Very, very nice indeed. And your winch there as well. There's a thing there, and there's one. These, yes, they're for your awning, exactly. Put your awnings in, so you can cover them up. You've got 4 of them situated, another one here and another one over there. And let me just show you this as well. Drinks holder, pop-up lighting, giving you a nice ambience out here of an evening. Very, very clever. Storage under there as well. Well done, Saxdor. Another thing, look at this. The way they've integrated the grab handle here. Not up the top, it's down here. It's nice, solid. Yeah, I like it. And the view that you've got from this. This thing will be turning some heads when she's out on the open waters. She really will. As I mentioned, this is a single cabin boat, but you can equip this with a 2 cabin, 1 cabin or 2 cabin.
The choice cabin will be in the aft then, the separate entrance.
Yes, yeah. Right, let's keep on moving out if we've got more to show you. But I'll tell you something, what I was informed. They're already in the double figures of sales on this particular yacht. Just this yacht at this Dusseldorf boat show. That's how popular this Saxdor is. It's incredible. And I can understand, I really can, from this absolutely stunning Saxdor 460 GTC. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye for now.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye-bye.
If you've managed to stay with us this long and watch the whole film and you have enjoyed it, please do hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye now.